Is Micromatic, one of the largest machine tool group of India, already represented in China and having a good market value. Participating in TIMTOS gave us an add-on chances to showcase our products globally and also re-engage with our dealers and partners so that they can also concentrate on bringing our products globally.
Coming to Taiwan was a great experience this time. When I came, the weather was okay. It was around 20 degrees. But over the time, within 3 to 4 days, it started raining, and yesterday we had a temperature of 6 degrees. And you can see there is light rain, but that is not stopping people to come and find these innovations.
And we are the organizers of the Hyderabad International Machine Tool exhibition called HITEX. And we are here to promote the upcoming 2026 edition of HITEX. And it's really glad to see that so many Indians have been meeting us here at the TIMTOS 2025. And I understand that Taiwan Machineries has a pretty good market in India, and we are representing India as a country here and looking forward to have the more number of Taiwanese exhibits on the floor at HITEX for the next edition, for the Indian exhibitors to source the machineries there at India itself. So it's the first day and it's been really good. We have happened to meet a lot of Indian clients as well as international clients here, and looking forward for more such meetings over the next 4-5 days here in Taipei.
And for the past 20 years that we've been supplying to Taiwan, so the quality of the machines have significantly gone up from those times, and now they are at par and even better with what machines are there around the world. And we continue to sell our major products to Taiwan, supplying to all the machine tool builders in Taiwan, to big CNC lathe manufacturers, to even the small CNC lathe manufacturers and the new ones.
TIMTOS is one of the associate partners of ACME. So we have been coming here and attending TIMTOS for a long time. But this time I could see a lot of interesting things, especially on the automation and robotics, which is now the current buzz in the manufacturing industry. Of course, it's been the second day now, when first day was good in the morning, and now today also I think a lot of visitors have come, and we also, as an ACME, attracted some of the visitors and keen to know about ACME and also to be a part of ACME. I think we will wait for another 3-4 days to go. I think it's a good show so far, and all the best for the TIMTOS team.